Looking for a quick energy boost in the morning? Welcome to the world of plant-based breakfasts, where quick preparation meets powerhouse nutrition. These meals are crafted to jumpstart your day, packing a punch with natural, sustainable energy sources. Imagine starting your day not just full, but truly fueled. These breakfasts are not just about avoiding meat, they're about embracing a variety of foods that energize and satisfy. Stick around to discover 5 energizing breakfast ideas that are as delicious as they are nutritious. First up, let's dive into a jar of overnight oats with chia seeds. Imagine starting your day with a creamy mix of oats and chia seeds soaked in almond milk, with just a drizzle of maple syrup for a hint of sweetness. Set it up in the evening, and by morning, you've got a breakfast that's not only ready to go, but also packed with nutrients. Chia seeds aren't just tasty. They're a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, perfect for those who need a grab-and-go option. Next, energize your morning with a spinach and tofu scramble. Begin by crumbling firm tofu into a hot skillet, mimicking the texture of scrambled eggs. Sprinkle in a dash of turmeric for that golden color and a pinch of nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor. As these ingredients sizzle, fold in handfuls of fresh spinach, allowing it to wilt and mingle with the spices. This dish doesn't just taste great, it's a protein powerhouse, keeping you full and bustling with energy until lunch. A savory delight that packs a punch. Third on our list is the vibrant smoothie bowl extravaganza. Imagine starting your day with a blend of frozen berries and banana, smoothly pureed with a splash of almond milk. Once poured into a bowl, this colorful base is then sprinkled with crunchy granola and topped off with a variety of sliced fruits. Smoothie bowls are not just customizable, they're a delightful way to pack in antioxidants. Each spoonful is a step towards vibrant health. Not only is it a feast for the eyes, but it's also a powerhouse of nutrients. For a crunch, try the avocado toast with hemp seeds. Start by smashing ripe avocado on a slice of toasted whole grain bread. The creaminess of the avocado pairs beautifully with the hearty texture of the bread. For that delightful crunch, sprinkle a generous amount of hemp seeds on top. Just a pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. And voila, you've got a powerhouse breakfast, rich in healthy fats from the avocado and packed with protein from the hemp seeds. It's not just tasty, it's fuel for your day. Simple yet incredibly satisfying. Lastly, warm up with a quinoa breakfast bowl. Begin by simmering quinoa in almond milk, infusing each grain with a creamy texture and nutty flavor. As it cooks, sprinkle in some cinnamon for a hint of warmth and stir in chopped apples for a delightful crunch. Quinoa, a powerhouse of complete protein, packs all 9 essential amino acids, making it an exceptional choice for plant-based diets. This bowl not only satisfies your taste buds, but also fuels your body with sustained energy, perfect for busy mornings. A warm start to a chilly morning. Now that you're equipped with 5 fantastic plant-based breakfasts, why not give them a whirl? Experiment with these dishes and share your culinary adventures below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious inspirations. Fuel your day the plant-based way and let us know how these recipes work out for you.